aura, just film. I told myself as I make my way back to the motherland. This trip is for a family affair, so I expect that it'll be somewhat busy. I love and enjoy documenting, but I struggle with managing my time when things get quite involved. The pull between being in the moment and capturing it is something I'm constantly learning. And I admit, I also overthink it sometimes. I love life and I love documenting it. And at one point, I have to stop making excuses and just film.
I was gonna go to the butterfly garden in Terminal 3, however I feel like I don't have enough time to go and find it and be at my gate on time. So I just decided to hang out here. Yeah, I'm just gonna chill here for a bit. It's so relaxing. It's lovely.
I'm just redoing my braids because I've slept on it for 13 hours. Refreshed.
Also, I use this hypochlorous spray on my face. On my plate, I have pinakbet, crispy pata, and kare-kare, sinigang. We tell them, do you like it? You like it. Dalandan. Yum. Hi guys, I'm just here living my best life. Baby, tell them where you are right now.
In the Philippines, you go eat.
7 ba dito? Presto. Dito naman.
Ito? The hands are not for the shoes.
Not too bad. Not too bad, Christine.
So I picked up a little souvenir on our first week here. A stuffy nose and a scratchy throat, but it's no biggie. It happens sometimes during your travels, especially when you're tired and you're jet lagged and sleep is a little bit hard. However, it's all good. Today's a rest day for me. I'm gonna do my skincare and probably grab something to eat. We're staying in Resorts World here in Newport. And yeah. Okay. Can you tell I'm getting a little bit better now? Okay. I feel more like a human being now. By the way, I love my hair so much right now. Yesterday I had a haircut by Suyen Salazar. She's a hairdresser here in Manila and she does this dry cut technique that I've been really wanting to have for the longest time, but it's quite hard to find that in the UK. So yesterday she cut my hair, she styled my hair, and this is day 2 hair now, so it's a little bit less wavy than yesterday, but I love it so much. I can already tell that the cut is gonna be so good on my natural air dried hair, which means I'm gonna have to go back every year to the Philippines just to have a haircut with her now. I'm in love, I'm obsessed. I'm in love and I'm obsessed. I'm gonna go and meet up with a friend now.
Hi everyone, we are in Mango Tree. Hi, we're having dinner with Elisa. Yay! Has it been 3 years? 2 years. And this little one. Oh.
I remember the man.
Dada, I put it down.
I'm having calamansi juice because I need my vitamin C.
Oh, di ba? Oh, I know. But me was crying because it was itchy.
Hello, Ramona. I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost. We stand on the opposite shore. Hello, Ramona. I reach through mysterious ceilings, my only hope. I look for the things I don't